My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got one of the exceptional ones here. This thing is amazing. 66 Chevy Impala Super Sport. It's got a high-performance big block under the hood. You can see that it's lowered. It's all custom suspension underneath, four-wheel disc brakes, loaded up with options. Air conditioning, it's got the factory buckets, console gauges. Really nice, clean, rust-free original car. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and that's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars that we have here for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, buckle up, join me, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car is really good. A gentleman brought it here about 6 months ago wanting to sell it, and I was so upset that we didn't make a deal, and then when it showed back up the other day, I was thrilled. Just a good looking car and done really well. So the whole underneath is done. It's got so much to talk about. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to read my notes because I was trying to memorize it. But the front end is all Global West tubular control arms, upper and lower. It's got lower strut arms, a Hotchkiss custom sway bar, QA1 adjustable coilover gas shocks. And back it has RideTech adjustable upper trailing arms. It has billet aluminum lower trailing arms. It has a Hotchkiss adjustable sway bar, and it also has the QA1 gas adjustable coilover shocks. And it has a relocated panhard bar in back. All new custom brake system, drilled and slotted rotors, stainless steel lines, stainless steel braided hoses, 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust with X-pipe and Dynamax mufflers. You'll hear that in a little bit. A new 28-gallon fuel tank, high volume pump for the fuel injection that's on the motor. New fuel lines, they're stainless steel. You look up at the motor, it's an anodized oil pan, a mini high torque starter, chrome flywheel cover. The 700R4 overdrive was pro-built by Performance Racing Transmissions. It's cooled with a B&M trans cooler. It's held in with a G-force cross member. It has a finned aluminum pan. It has a Thor 3000 RPM stall converter with lockup. In back, the 12-bolt rear end is completely rebuilt. It has an Eaton Posi center section, Mosier axles, 355 gear ratio. It has a girdle to support the carrier bearings, an aluminum finned cover. It has a quick ratio steering box was put in. And the metal under this car is immaculate. The original floors, braces, inner rockers, quarters, super nice clean metal. They took the time to really clean it, and then they painted it a nice semi-gloss black. So it looks like a new car underneath, and it's set up right. It handles great. The wheels don't rub. And then the body is just as nice. It's a good rust-free body. The thing is straight. Whoever did the body and paint work did an outstanding job, but it looks like they had a really clean car to start with, to be honest with you. So all the gaps are square, fit nice. It is just as smooth down here as it is right up on top here. Long flat panel, arrow straight. All these emblems, moldings, all of it looks new. The door handles, bow tie mirrors look new. All this stainless trim is straight and polished. New windshield. All the rest of the glass is tinted. Up front it has re-chrome bumper, good original grille, H4 headlights. This hood fits in here nice and square. All clean, sparkling emblem. 20-inch salt flat wheels, a little bit wider in the back. I think they're 8-inch wide in front, 9.5 in back, with performance tires. Those are new. Those were just added. Door jambs are painted real slick. This is a metal door edge guard. New weather strips, window seals. It's got a power antenna in back. All of this is straight and fits nice and square. The only flaw, right here in this valley, there's a little spot where the paint is like lifted a little bit. A little bubble right there in the paint. That's all that I had found in the car. Chrome is sparkling. Nice big clean trunk, all redone. The interior is super nice. I love the color combination. This is the original color, by the way. So you got the nice fawn interior, two-tone. It has new cushions in the seat, so it feels like a new car and fits real nice. All new door panels, window cranks, armrest, new headliner, visors, mirror. The dome interior lights are working. The lights under the dash, the light in the console, all of them are lit up right now. It has all new seat belts. Tilt column with a walnut wheel. All the knobs, lenses, dash pad, it's all excellent. The center console is pristine. New carpet on the floor with matching embroidered SS floor mats. The engine's a 454, bored out to a 460. Aluminum heads, aluminum intake with a Holley Sniper, electronic fuel injection, MSD ignition system. Front of the motor has billet pulleys. Chrome alternator. It's got power steering, vintage air, heat and air conditioning system. It's got some nice chrome valve covers with some breather cans with stainless braided hoses. Dual electric fans on a big polished aluminum radiator. The rubber seals around the vent windows new. Has the factory gauge cluster, the stacked gauges in the console with the tachometer in the dash. Has a retro stereo right in the factory hole in the dash. Trunk compartment, from what I can see, all clean original metal, very neatly gray and aqua spatter painted. New trunk mat. Under the trunk mat, they put down that sound deadener material. Trunk, the battery's been relocated to the trunk. It looks like a stainless steel box. Has a battery disconnect. This is all painted up nice, new rubber. Has cruise control right on the tilt column. It's got an overflow tube. Even has the glass washer bottle. It's a Willwood Hydro Boost brake system, and that's got braided stainless hoses. New wiper motor. A nice braided stainless dipstick to the transmission. Just a lot of sparkly jewelry under here. There's a filler panel up front here, and it's etched Impala SS. This is a good-looking car. You know what I like so much about it? Well, I like everything about it, but it's unique. I love my 70 Chevelles and 69 Camaros, but I haven't had one of these in here in a long time. Looking up in the fenders, the hinges, all that's really nice. Just sparkles. The heater control panel, quartz movement in the clock, the console is sparkling. You're that person that really appreciates the exceptional cars, the cars that are better than almost all of them out there. This really is one of those cars. It's got the looks, it's got the quality, it's got all the goodies you want. It's got performance, air conditioning. That's my impression, but you can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to talk to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, they'd be happy to help you. They can also get this delivered about anywhere in the country, can help get you financed. It's all at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.